an inexpensive, simple, brilliant idea like this should become a global phenomenon.
Everybody we were talking to was saying, hasn't this been done before?
Like a lot of stuff, people say, well, I can't believe we didn't think about this before. Well, it's thought about now and we're in it.
And this has the potential to change the world for the better.
Hi, my name is Perry Martins, and I'm the inventor of the Regenesis recapture system. Regenesis is a conservation effort. It's all about reduction of energy costs, and it's about recapturing otherwise wasted energy or potential.
The Regenesis system harnesses wind energy from HVAC systems. Regenesis not only generates electricity, but may also provide higher efficiency to the overall performance of the unit.
The idea that you simply wouldn't vent that to atmosphere but could recapture some of that energy, turn it back into electricity from which it came, and then utilize that for a savings is something that I saw an awful lot of potential benefit for.
Hi, I'm Dion Lane from Lane's Mechanical Systems. I'm a certified Red Seal journeyman refrigeration mechanic. I've been in the industry for 24 years. Today we're doing some baseline testing on a Cool King ductless split system to test the effects of the Regenesis unit on the overall performance of the unit. We're measuring the overall current draw of the unit as it runs. We're also measuring the suction line return gas back to the compressor. That'll tell us what temperature roughly the outdoor unit is running at. And we're also measuring the temperature of the gas going into the heating unit inside. That'll give us an idea of how well the unit is heating. What we're looking for is no change or minimal change on the current draw and the temperatures as the Regenesis unit is placed on the system. So now we'll have Perry place the Regenesis unit on the heat pump.
When I was first invited out to look at this project, I was concerned with the viability of the return on an investment. I came down myself to personally measure the inputs and outputs of the current and to make sure that it wasn't creating any additional resistance. We saw on site that it wasn't. There was definitely some promising returns for the end user on this. Seeing those results firsthand was the deciding factor for us joining this project.
Okay, as you can see, the overall amp draw of the unit hasn't changed drastically. Before it was running between 8.5 and 9 amps, and currently it's running at 8.6 to 8.7 amps. There's been a slight change in the return gas temperature back to the compressor. It's slightly lower. However, the supply gas temperature to the heating units inside appears to have gone up. So it would appear that the unit is heating slightly better than it was before the Regenesis was placed on the unit.
As we all know, science develops in a number of ways, and one of the ways is through serendipity. And in this case, it looks like the inventor has found a serendipitous happening in this particular unit.
The thing that I like about working with Regenesis is they didn't just come up with the idea, they actually tried executing the idea. And in doing that, they've discovered more patentable material for us to work with. The clients went down to the University of Arizona, and the university is actually investing funds and resources into the further development and testing of this technology.
What matters is that this matters. It matters to me as a scientist. It matters more to me as a human being.
Will this bring me closer to my goal and improve the quality of my life and my family's life and the world? Well, when that answer is yes, it's yes. So I went in full on.
I think that the applications are going to continue to grow where they can use this type of technology. We might only be touching the tip of the iceberg yet.